Hey guys, welcome back. Here's the trunk of the 63. We got a little rat's nest up there, although just about everything works. And here's the gas tank. I'm going to be taking the gas tank out. It comes out with just these 4 13 mil bolts. There's one there, there's one there, and you got one back here, and then one back over here. So I'm going to take those out. A couple reasons. One is I'd like to do a gas tank wash on the inside, and then the other thing is I've got something going on in the steering, and I think it's probably one of the stops, because it turns left just fine, but when I turn right, I'm running into something in the linkage. So I want to take a look at that. So now that I've got those 4 bolts out, I'm going to disconnect the gas line. Let's see if we can see it here. There it is right there. So we got to take that clamp off. Let's see if I can focus in on that, and if I can hold it at the same time that I'm reaching in here. I emptied the fuel out of it, so there we go. So that guy's off. And now that I've got those 4 bolts disconnected and the fuel line disconnected, we should just get out, pull the overflow out, and out we go. So now that I've got the gas tank out, I can take a peek down here at the linkage. It looks like it's all attached. Everything looks good, but there's obviously something going on because, hold on, what's this? I don't think that's supposed to turn like that. What do we have over here? Okay, so I don't know if that's the culprit, but it's certainly something to take a look at.